Hi, I'm Bronwyn with Realty One Group Mountain Desert, and welcome to 3595 South Palo Verde Boulevard. Located at the very top of South Palo Verde, this well-cared-for home features over 1,900 square feet of indoor living space. The kitchen showcases beautiful hickory cabinets, granite countertops with bar stool seating, and a huge walk-in pantry. This includes extra large bedrooms with walk-in closets, spacious open concept living, and an additional 230 square foot addition off of the primary bedroom. The private backyard provides everything needed for entertaining. An extended concrete patio and electric-equipped gazebo make for a very comfortable outdoor living space.